How are you,
Yes,
Sonam?
I'm good.
This is our second session together, I believe, yeah?
No, this is our first session.
Oh, really? Okay. I've seen someone like you before. Right. So, where are you from, Sonam?
I'm from Kolkata.
Okay. What do you do?
I completed my graduation and I also completed my B.Ed. Now I'm preparing for CTET, KVS, all kind of entrance exam.
Right. Great, great. So, how's your preparations going on during this lockdown?
Yes, in this situation we have lots of spare time, so it's going well.
Okay, that's great. So, my name is Akhila and I'm from Kerala.
Oh, you're from Kerala. It's very
Yeah.
wonderful that I'm
Have you
talking to
been
you.
there? Have you been
Yes,
there?
yes. I have been there for 4 years.
Oh, really? Okay, where in Kerala?
Kochi.
Kochi. Nice. Did you like the place?
Yes, it's really full of greenery, vibrant atmosphere. I like it.
Lovely. Yeah. Good quality of life you can have there.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
That's the
People are
beauty.
very sweet, polite, true
Yeah.
people.
Yeah. Yeah. People. Okay. All right. But the place, yeah, really good. Yes. So, Sonam, what are the trouble that you're facing when it comes to talking in English?
Sometimes I feel nervous while
Mm-hmm.
communicating, but
Mm-hmm.
nowadays I feel that while talking with so many tutors as well as
Mm-hmm.
strangers, so I feel
Yeah.
that it's removing day by day.
Okay. That's nice, right? So you're practicing with people, strangers?
Yes, sometimes,
That's
sometimes.
great. That's the best way to go. Not just clapping, go. You need to talk to different people in English. That's how
Yes,
you get over the anxiety or whatever. Right.
yes,
So did you check the document out for the day, Sona?
yes, yes. I have been going through that.
I have gone through that. That's fine. I
Okay.
have gone through it. So the topic for the day is fame. Yeah.
Yes,
Before that, we have an extempore. You ready for that?
yes.
Two options. Option A, well begun is half done. Option B, luck or hard work. Which one do you
Yes,
choose? Which one
luck
do you
and
want to
hard
talk
work.
about? Go on.
Okay, I feel that success is required so many factors,
Mm-hmm.
including hard work,
Mm-hmm.
luck, good attitude,
Mm-hmm.
and some kind of skills. But personally, I believe that success is only the result of hard work and
Yes.
perseverance.
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
luck is only luck is intangible.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
So uh, no one can guarantee that it would give you success or not. Okay,
Yes. Yes.
so if people only depend on luck, so it
Mm-hmm.
might be get disappointment.
Mm-hmm. We might get disappointed, is it?
So I
Mm-hmm.
feel that you have to do work hard.
Mm-hmm. That's true. So, what do you rely on, luck or hard work?
I only believe in hard work and
Yeah.
perseverance.
Yes. What is luck? Luck is just, I don't know, it's just something that we made up.
I
Do you think
think
luck
luck is there.
exists?
I feel that luck is exist, but you
Mm-hmm.
have to do hard work. First, you have to
Yeah.
do hard work. Then luck automatically you will get
Comes to you. Yeah.
comes to you.
That's
Yeah.
true. And there are people who only rely on luck. Yeah. And then they waste their lives away by just hoping for luck, hoping for something miraculous to happen.
What is your opinion about that? Luck and hard work.
For for me, I don't believe in luck at all. I think it's just I don't think it exists. It's something made up. I think you need to work
That's
hard to
true.
get to eat your bread. You need to work hard.
Yes, there is no other way. If you feel that, oh God, please help me, they will not work. If you do a
Yeah.
little bit hard work, then it will work.
Yeah. And then I think that, if you pray for it, okay, I hope now please help me. That hope, you will build that hope up in your mind. And that will give you a good mood, which will help you to work even harder. Yeah. And that's how it works, I
Yeah,
think.
that's true.
Right. Yes, Sonam. So the main topic is fame.
Yes.
If you were to be famous, what would you be famous for, Sonam?
Actually, yes, everyone want to become famous, but I don't want that kind of thing, because
Fame.
I want peace and contentment. Because if you become famous, you will not have happy life. People may follow you, they will interrupt you whenever you go out. They will follow you. You will not enjoy your life. So I'm not
That's so
believing
true.
a fame.
What about, like you're gonna be paid huge amounts, but then you have to give up your privacy. Will you do that? You'll be paid very huge amounts.
Okay, I didn't get what
What
you're
what
trying to.
what if you get paid in huge amounts of money? Yeah, but you have to give up your privacy for that. Will you be all right?
Uh, if somebody giving me huge amount for my privacy,
Yeah, that's what these celebrities are doing, right? They don't have any sort of a privacy. Yeah, they're being
yes,
paid so much that they're now
actually I
okay.
don't
They're
have
like,
that kind of idea, because I'm not famous and celebrity, so I
yeah,
don't know about that.
no, you don't prefer it. Yeah.
Yes.
So, do you think you have to be a celebrity to be famous?
No, yes, everyone want to become famous. Actually, I want to do something. uh, I want to do something to our society. I want to help
Mhm.
people. I want to
Yes.
do selfless service without
Yes.
showing my name. Okay.
That's true. So, what do you think about these people? They be doing all the social service, all the work and all helping people out, but then they show them that they are in the vulnerable state, they are in the receiving end, and they show their faces. What do you think about that?
I feel that everyone has their own opinion. If
Hmm.
they feel that it get happiness,
Hmm.
then it's okay. Because
Hmm.
because I'm chasing for peace and contentment.
Hmm.
If somebody is helping other, and they are uploading videos on YouTube or any social media, if they feel that by doing this that person is happy, then it's good.
Okay.
Because happiness is very important in life. Because
Hmm.
we earn money, we are nowadays people are chasing for money, fame, and
Hmm.
all kind of, you may say, only for happiness, but they are not getting.
Yes, yes, true. But I personally think that they shouldn't be showing those people who are on the receiving end. Yeah, because they're very vulnerable, right? So we shouldn't be showing their faces. We should blur it out and then put it on YouTube or whatever social platform.
Yes, yes, you're absolutely right. But because they don't know
Yeah.
it will be going on social media or
Oh,
not.
yeah, that's true. That's true. That's true.
But those who are putting, they have intention that yes, I'm doing some good thing. I have to post this in YouTube
Yes.
or any
Yeah.
social media. So you are. It's right that you have to blur his face, because without taking his permission, it's not good.
Yeah. So, fame. Who's the most famous person that you know of?
Mother Teresa.
Yeah. And she inspires you?
Yes, a lot, because she has enormous. Enormous amount of empathy. Because of that, only she is famous.
Yes. Empathy. That's true.
I
Hmm.
think helping hand is better than praying hand. She did
That's
lots of work related to our society, those who related to poor people,
That's
all kind
true.
of things.
Mm-hmm.
So I
That's
feel that
actually true.
without showing his name,
Mm-hmm.
but she automatically,
Her
she, you may
name.
say, become celebrity. You may say now we
Yeah.
know she's become famous. Like
Yeah.
Mahatma Gandhi, is
Yeah.
also a great gentleman. He
Yes.
work for our
Nation for
nation.
freedom. What do you think about all these kids nowadays we can see on Instagram or TikTok or whatever? They tend to be famous, overnight fame. They tend to get. What do you think about that? They go viral. That's the name, viral. Yeah.
Yes, yeah,
What do
that's
you think about
true.
that
That's
kind of
true.
a name? That kind of a fame, I mean.
Yes, you may say that kind of fame is you will get instant gratification.
Mm-hmm.
It is not a long time gratification. You will get
Mm-hmm.
instant gratification. A small, you may say, short period of happiness. You may
Short-lived
say.
fame. Yeah.
Yes,
It's very
yes. It's
short-lived
not.
fame.
Yes, yes.
That's true. And people do a lot of stunts for being famous.
Yes, yes, a
Yeah.
lot. They are doing weird. They are also making weird music, and
Oh my
as well as
God. Yeah.
yes, yes,
So true. And I see these trends, okay? To be famous, you need to follow the trend, they say. And the trend calls for doing stupid, ridiculous things like eating salt. Eating salt, it's dangerous for you. If you eat salt, it's
my
really
God.
dangerous for you, right?
Yes,
Yeah. And
yes.
these little girls are like, yeah, salt challenge. And then they're just shoving salt in their
Oh
mouth.
my God.
Crazy.
Actually, I didn't see that.
And eating toothpaste. Toothpaste. Hey, toothpaste challenge like that. Oh my
Oh
God.
my God.
That's
A
what they
few
would do
people,
anything.
yes.
Go on. You're
I think
saying something?
I think people appreciate them. That's why she is doing more weird things.
Yeah. And that too, people are there to watch them.
Yes, yes. That's why she get appreciation. So they feel that yes, we will do something like this only.
Yeah, yeah, they'll do anything. And you know the word clout, CLOUT, clout.
Cloud,
Clout. Yeah, CLOUT. You know the meaning of the word clout?
cloud. No, I don't know the meaning. Cloud.
Clout is when someone's pulling a stunt to be in the limelight, to get the power, yeah, to get the attention. That's called as a clout. So you can say celebrities sometimes they stir up controversies by themselves just for clout, you can say.
Oh,
Then in the sentence, how you can use it is, oh, she's doing that for clout. That means she's doing that for attention and power and fame to be in the limelight. Clout.
cloud. It's
C L O U
pronunciation
T.
cloud.
Clout. 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 Yeah, that's it. I think it's like a slang. I don't know. Yeah, but that's what we use it for. Yes. Fame. If you were to be famous, you would like to be famous for your good deeds, is it?
Yes, good deed.
How would you spread your fame? How would you use your fame to the fullest
Actually,
possibility?
nowadays I'm thinking of I have to become motivational speaker
Ah, that's
regarding
nice.
fitness, health and fitness. So if I
Okay.
have good fluency, and then I will definitely do such kind of thing.
Okay, that's nice. Maybe you can start
Because
a YouTube channel and
nowadays if we see that people are chasing for money, they forget about their health and fitness. If you
that's
see
so
in this
true.
pandemic situation, those who have lots of money, they are dying
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's true.
because
So,
yes,
go on.
they are not bothering about their health. So so it's good if I become motivational speaker related to
Yes,
health and
that's
fitness.
true. Fitness and health. Okay. So pandemic situation. Pandemic itself is a situation which went bad. So you don't have to use pandemic and situation together.
Okay,
Okay. So you can say because of this pandemic or COVID-19 situation, that will be sounding a bit better. Pandemic situation is just the same meaning, so we don't have to use it together, right?
okay, thank you.
I think we only have 4 more minutes. I'll give you my feedback. Sonam, I think you do have really good English. Yeah, got a really nice voice of talking and all that. I like it, but I think you can work on the addition of sound, like yes, like this, because, like the here and there. You're adding the sound unwantedly.
Okay, okay,
Yeah,
I'm
have you
adding
noticed
extra
it?
a.
Yeah, the sound, like this. So it's
Okay,
not really needed there. Maybe you can use it, and there you can use it. Other than that, if you use it with other words, it will sound a bit odd.
okay,
It's
thank you
not a
for
big deal, but still, I had to say something, so I'm saying it. Right, like this, because that's the only thing that I found, and the pandemic situation. That's it. And beginning somewhere, you made one mistake. That's it. Other than that, I think you have good English. Keep talking to different people. Keep on talking in English. Do you have
thank
anything to
you.
ask, Sonam?
Can you tell me how we can explain our past situation?
What do you mean? Like how?
If I say that 4 month back,
Hmm.
4 month back, I went
Four
for my
months back.
exam
4 months
and
ago.
I had make friend over there. Is it correct?
I had make friend over. No, I made a friend over there.
Okay, I made friend over there. Is
I
it
made a
correct?
friend over there. Yeah, I made a
It's a
friend over
past
there.
sentence. It's a
Yeah,
past sentence. I
it's
have
past.
some
Yes.
kind of problem regarding past situation.
See, at the end of the day, you don't have to complicate the situation. Keep it simple. Okay, I had made a friend over. You can just say, I made a friend over there. That's more than enough. That sounds better. Go on. Go on.
Okay, if I have to explain any area, how can I explain it
Like what?
about
Can you
their
give me an
beauty?
example?
That 4 months back, I went one place which is very very beautiful. How can I express any kind of place?
You can say, yeah, the place had a serenic beauty to it. It had a serenic beauty. It was if it was like an aesthetically really appealing place, you can say it was a serenic. It had a serenic beauty to the place. Yeah, and 4 months ago, not 4 months back, 4 months, 4 months ago, 4 months back, I went to this place. I went to this place. It had such serenic beauty to the place. Yeah, such greenery.
And
If you're talking about something beautiful,
okay, because I think
this is a sound I'm talking to you because I think yeah, that's one.
okay, okay, I will follow that.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Go on, go on, go on. You're saying
I have some kind of problem regarding past situation. I can't able to express.
okay. So okay, for the
Whenever
next
I'm thinking
session,
of that, I'm thinking of present only.
yeah. All right. So what you can do is talk about past with your next tutor. What you can do is instead of talking about the
Can you
topic,
tell me any four past situation? How can I express?
talk to me about your childhood, or talk to me what happened yesterday. Tell me. We only have about few more seconds. That's the deal. Our
When
session
I
is
was
about
a
to end.
kid, I used to visit my grandma. Is it
Uh-huh.
correct?
Yeah, when I was a kid, I used to visit my grandma. Yeah, yeah. You're talking about
I
past.
used to play badminton,
With my friends.
and I was scolded by my parent when I was a kid.
I was always scolded by my parent. Yeah, I
I
was
was
scolded means you just one abrupt situation. You can say I was always scolded by my parents. Go on.
and that that time I have keen interest on
I had keen interest. I
I had
had.
keen interest on collecting toys.
Okay, right. Good.
Okay, and I used to play with my friends, all kind of
Mm-hmm.
things.